All right, as the nation continues to struggle with an overdose crisis that reached a record high in 2021, more states are exploring ways to prevent fatal drug overdoses.
Some states are considering safe injection or overdose prevention sites, which are spaces where individuals can use their own drugs under clinical supervision to prevent overdoses. Erie News Now State Capitol correspondent Brendan Scanlon joins us live with how Pennsylvania is trying to balance out saving lives without prolonging or enabling substance abuse. Good evening, Brendan.
Hey there, Mike and Eva. Good evening. Yeah, it's certainly a very difficult issue with no real easy solution. There are a number of these sites that currently operate in the U.S., and more states are considering whether to allow them. However, recent legislation that passed the state Senate here in Harrisburg would prohibit these sites from coming to Pennsylvania.
We really can't afford right now, when we're in a crisis of this magnitude, to shut the door to anything that is effective and works.
Earlier this month, Senator Nikhil Saval voted against Senate Bill 165, the legislation that seeks to completely prohibit safe injection sites in Pennsylvania.
SB 165, I think, is really based on misconceptions and sort of false understandings.
Saval says the legislation shuts the door to exploring an effective tool with numerous benefits.
Keeping people alive, connecting people with treatment, lowering drug-related crime and syringe litter, for example. Banning a tool that could help change that could help save people's lives, I think would really set us back.
SB 165 passed the Senate 41-9 with support from all Republicans and 13 of 22 Democrats. Some lawmakers voted for the bill because they believe the sites would do more harm than good.
This is a life or death situation, and having these sites set up where they can just continue to use more and more drugs is not, it's not going to save them. This might prolong it a few weeks, but it's not really helping them.
If the bill passes the House, it will likely receive a signature from Democratic Governor Josh Shapiro, who recently voiced opposition to the sites.
I do not support safe injection sites here in the city of Philadelphia or anywhere.
And now Democratic State Senator Christine Tartaglione of Philadelphia is the sponsor of SB 165. She says safe injection sites are counterproductive to the overall goal of reducing the number of overdose deaths because they would prolong a system of state-sponsored addiction here in Pennsylvania. Reporting live at the state capitol in Harrisburg, I'm Brendan Scanlon. Erie News Now at 6. We'll be back right after this.